Hey guys, so y'all know me, it's your girl Po, and this is actually a really short video, so I'm super happy. But I am just refreshing my curls after like a couple nights of just having it in the bun. So you see this quick like 10-minute style where I just kind of revamp my curls really quick right before I do a wash. Well, the first thing I do is to make sure like my roots get less frizzy, like, give it some moisture. So I wet it with some lukewarm water. I use a detangler, and then I use a moisturizer to really bring it back to life. So I make sure I'm getting the middle of my head and the back of my head, because usually that's where the most frizz is at if I'm trying to get one more look out of this hair. After I apply, I look at some of my ends and I just recurl them. I put the moisturizer in, and then I use my bamboo brush to brush the ends out and define them. I do the same thing to the other side of my head, making sure I get everything. And recurling the ends. Since my hair is still a little damp, of course, from adding these products, I use my diffuser, and this is from Rizzo Curls, and I got it from the Utopia Salon in Jersey. And I just use this for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, depends on, I guess, the morning or the night. Like if it's cold outside, I don't know about using cold air, whatever. It depends. But I use it for about 5 to 10 minutes until my hair is dry. Once my hair is dry, of course, I pick it a little bit to give it a little bit more volume. And for this look, I wanted to keep a small part, so that's why I don't have a bang look. I have it kind of going to one side. Usually I don't do my edges, like I like to just keep them how they are, but depending on how sexy I'm trying to look, I just do a little something and I add my got to be glued so it can stay in place. This is the before and after. In total, it took about 15 minutes, maybe 20, depending on how much how fast I'm moving. And I still get this defined, voluminous look, you know, right before it's time to get a wash. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.